Okay. Hotel tip. If you want to ice down some beer, this is how you do it. You go to the ice machine. You get some bags. Okay? And you fill them up with ice. And then you walk back to your hotel room. Okay? And I'm going to pause it while I walk over there because it's a little bit of a journey. Now, if your hotel room has a refrigerator, you can disregard this video. This is just for those cheap hotel rooms that don't have refrigerators. Alright. So what you do is you get your bags of ice and you set them in the sink. Then you go get your beer. Alright. One beer. Two beer. Or a 6-pack of beer. Okay, now a lot of people might already know to do that. But I am going to show you guys a pro tip. Okay? What you do is you grab you a towel, or even a couple towels or a blanket, and you insulate. Okay? Cover your beer like a little baby. Make it nice and cozy. And then when you come back later, you got yourself some cold beer. Now, pro tip number 2, okay? Cover your beers, pro tip number 1. Pro tip number 2, if you really want to take it to the next level, what you do, okay, what you do is you get some ice, put it in there just like I did, but then you add salt to the ice, okay? Add some salt to your ice. Any old kind of salt will work. Rock salt's cool, but just regular old iodized table salt, quite a bit of salt, you know, don't get like a little package of salt and put it in there, but pour you some salt around on that ice, and that lowers the freezing temperature of ice, thus lowering the temperature of your beer to sub-zero temperatures. In fact, you've actually got to be kind of careful with that tip because you can actually freeze your beer. And by the way, it works great on kegs. Get you a couple boxes of rock salt, and when you have a keg of beer, add yourself some rock salt to your keg bucket, and you will have extremely cold keg beer. Anyway, beer drinking hotel tips coming at you right here. Life is good.